Ladies and gentlemen, we've got something exciting to talk about today. It is the 2023 Urban Cruiser, and it's ready to hit the streets with style and efficiency. Let's start with the exterior. On the outside, the Urban Cruiser is equipped with the 17-inch alloy wheels, modern LED headlamps, LED rear lamps, and LED day running lights, or what you can call DRLs. On the interior, step inside and you'll find a comfortable and user-friendly cabin with the engine push-to-start button, fabric seats, and telescopic steering, and a telescopic steering wheel with controls. The front automatic air conditioning keeps the cabin at the perfect temperature, and the rear AC ducts ensure everyone stays comfortable. Keeping you informed is a 4.2-inch gauge cluster with a heads-up display for the driver. With seating for 5 passengers, including the driver, it is a great fit for small families and city dwellers. When it comes to audio and entertainment, stay connected and entertained with the 7-inch touchscreen display and audio system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, making it easy to sync your smartphone for navigation and music streaming. There's also a handy USB-A port in front, and 4 speakers ensure that your favorite tunes go with you everywhere. Let's talk about the engine. Under the hood, the Urban Cruiser packs a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder inline engine that delivers a maximum output of 101 horsepower and 135 Newton meters of torque. This petrol power plant is mated with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission, making your daily commute a breeze. This car is front-wheel drive or FWD, perfect for urban adventures and mild off-roading since it has a simple ground clearance of 210 mm. When it comes to safety is a top priority in the Urban Cruiser. It comes equipped with cruise control for added convenience during highway journeys. The rear camera and parking sensors make parking a breeze, and airbags, both for the driver and the front passenger. Side and curtain airbags provide essential protection. The anti-lock brake system, ABS, vehicle stability control, VSC, hill start assist, HSC, and the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, keeps you in control on the road. Now let me give you a small explanation of how the hill start assist works. Whenever you're on a hill and you try to move your foot from the brake to the accelerator, the car tends to go backwards. Now this car has a control feature that will prevent that and keep you safe, keep the car from going backwards until you have enough time to move your foot from the brake to the accelerator. Plus, there's an engine immobilizer system added for security. Don't forget the tire inflator, always handy as a tool just in case you're going to go off-roading. In conclusion, the 2023 urban cruiser is designed to conquer the urban jungle. It's compact, efficient, and loaded with features to make your daily commute or weekend adventures enjoyable and safe. Whether you are navigating the city streets or exploring new horizons, the urban cruiser has got your back. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, let's go.